In this video, I'm doing some painting. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on the budget. If so, then click that red subscribe button you see down below. A bell will appear. Click that bell and then click all. This way you'll be notified each time I upload something new. And while you're here, why don't you give your girl a thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything to give me a thumbs up, but it will help my channel. And also comment and share my video. Now today I am continuing on with my kitchen organization and refresh series. Today I am, yes, like I said, painting. I am painting in the kitchen today. And I am doing a backsplash. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, you know what to do, guys. Stick around. To start off, I cleaned everything off the stove. I cleaned off everything off the countertop to get things going so we can get this process started. Here are some of the items I'm going to be using to prime the wall here behind the stove here and that wall over there. So I have my small can of primer, some plastic for the floor, a paintbrush, and I have this roller just in case I think I might need to do more. I have a thing for it in the garage. So finna get started priming the wall behind the stove. Alright, the wall is primed. So now I'm going to give it, like it says on the can, it says top coat in an hour. So I'm going to let it dry and then I'm going to come back and do the gray. Paint it back its original color. I did all the way up to there. So that lets me know when I come back I need to put some plastic over the microwave. And I did it right there on that corner. But that wall right there, I did the whole wall from the microwave down with primer. Over here, I just did it midways. So, I'm excited to get this going. Phase 1 completed. Now I did cut out some parts of me bending over painting. But I'm through painting the walls back to the original color. Now we're just going to sit and wait for them to dry. And once they're dry and everything looks correct, then we're on with phase 3 of the kitchen. Okay, I'm on to the next step. I'm going to show you what I've done so far, and then I'm going to let you watch me put one up, and then I'm going to finish and then come back. Okay. Okay, I ran out. I needed one more pack to finish back there behind the stove and to the side. But I did get it down to protect the wall over there. And I finished in pieces over there. But it's looking pretty good. I'll order that one. It'll take a couple days for it to come in. And when it comes in, I'll share the finished thing with you, but I wanted you to see that it is coming out beautifully. If you haven't gone already to check out creativelymissme.com, check out my blog, where I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and for content creators. Make sure you sign up for the quickest updates.